Okay, the second maneuver that we teach is the offset. This is the offset lane change left and the offset lane change right. We have the truck staged in one of the offsets already. The cones that you see in the front here, the 3 front cones, are your marker cones for the 140 foot. You can't pass those when you pull up. And then the 2 lanes are 12 feet wide. They use the same lanes at the test for your straight line, so they're 100 feet long. But you're going to pull up to the front of this lane here, and in a reverse motion, you're going to turn and place the tractor in the other lane. So this is the first introduction to turning the wheel and moving your trailer in different directions rather than straight. All right, so now he's set up to do his offset lane change left. He's going to the left lane. Now the first turn that he's going to make is 1 turn away from the maneuver lane he's going into. The maneuver lane is on his left, so his first turn is going to be to the right. Okay, so he's got his turn on. Now we're going to back up, and what we're watching here is we're watching to see that he covers the rear of the trailer covers the cone in the center. Basically, this is covering the cone. It's moving the trailer halfway. Okay, at this point he's going to turn it all the way back to the left to recover, or to get in front of his trailer and become straight with his trailer. You'll hear recover, you'll hear chase the trailer, you'll hear get under the trailer. All of them meaning the same thing. So now we're looking down each side of the tractor, and when he looks in the side mirrors, he should see 1 cone on one side of his tractor and trailer, and the other one on the other side. Now we know we're lined up with the lane we're going into, and now he's going to straight back. We're going to continue the straight back until his tire on the passenger side is lined up with the center cones. At this point, I suggest highly that you get out and look. Okay, at this point, we're going to get out and look. What we want to try to do is we want to line that rear tire up with these center cones. The rear of the trailer itself will be in this lane, not in the box, but in the lane. Once the tires are lined up with the cone, then we're going to put our turn on. By getting out and looking at this point, we can make sure that we didn't overshoot it. Now we can look and see how far we have to back up to reach that point and put on our first turn. All right, so now he's got his rear tire lined up. You can see that the trailer is in the lane, in between the cones, not in the box yet, but in the lane. The tire's lined up. At this point now he can put his full turn on and start curving the trailer into the box. Now as he's curving the trailer into the box, we're only taking away half of the angle. Now we put the hard right on to recover and get back underneath the front of the trailer and end up straight in the box. Now, as I mentioned before, there is the straight line is in every maneuver. So at this point, you notice he has to straight line. So he's going to do a little bit of maneuvering left and right to get it straight. The finish point on this one is inside the lane, so he's only going to take it back to the front of the tractor, is behind the frontmost cones. Now he's going to get out 3 points of contact facing the truck, and he's going to check 3 sides. We want to make sure that we're in on the right side, the driver's side, make sure that we're behind the cones in front of us, and make sure that we're in on the left side. And then we're going to get back inside using a 3 point of contact facing the truck, blow our horn to signal that we're finished with the maneuver.